range lang. Sino nga ba yung may-ari nitong aircraft na to? At anong kumpanya to na nag-charter or nagli-lease out? At sino ang nag-charter noong March 11? Kasi ang sabi ni Secretary Remulla, si John Vic, siya nagsabi na yung private jet was paid for by the Office of the President. So ngayon, tinatanong ko, if the company or person who owns the plane was authorized to charter it or lease it. Kasi ang pangalan nito iba eh, Pacific Asian Pearl Airways. Meron yata sa SEC niyan. Pwede kayong sumagot. Yun ang registered owner, tama po ba?
As regards the owner of the specific airplane subject of this inquiry, it's not reflected in the SEC records. We defer the ownership of the airways with the proper regulatory agency of which is CAAP. However, we already provided the Senate committee with the requested SEC corporate records of the corporations that you requested, Madam Chair.
So in fact, there are two corporations with similar names. Is that correct? Would you read them out, please?
Those with similar names to the requested corporate names are Pacific Pearl Airways.com Corporation and Pilipinas Asian Pearl Airways Inc., Madam Chair.
So they are in fact registered with you and you have the ownership also stipulated.
Yes, Madam Chair.
And may we see the names? Diba nakalista naman yung mga shareholder niyan?
As regards Pacific Pearl Airways.com Corporation, maybe I can turn over
The documents.
to Attorney Bernal from our corporate
Okay.
company registration and monitoring
Sige po.
department. Are we? All right.